Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily add a slow zoom effects to your video on CapCut by using keyframes. So what you need to do is just add a clip that you want to edit and then just add 2 keyframes at the beginning of the clip and also the end. Then to create a slow zoom effect, just zoom in the clip on the second keyframe like this. Okay, so when you play the video, it will create a slow zoom effect like so. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.